One of the things that gives me so much joy is when I use a product on my hair and I see results. It makes me happy, and I always like to share it with others who are looking for natural recipes or methods that also grow their hair. By the way, my name is Happilicious, and if you're watching my video for the very first time, you're very much welcome, and I'm happy to have you on my channel. All you need to do is to hit the subscribe button so that you'll be among the first to be notified when I post a new video. Alright, let's dive into this natural, amazing hair growth spray or hair mask, whatever you choose to call it. Do you know that papaya leaves are not just good for your health, but also a natural remedy for stronger, healthier hair? Papaya leaves are packed with vitamins like vitamin A, C, and E, and powerful antioxidants. Papaya leaves are nature's secrets to beautiful, longer, healthier hair. Let's dive into the amazing benefits of using papaya leaves for our hair. First, papaya leaves boost hair growth. They improve blood circulation to your scalp and supply nutrients that help your hair grow thicker and faster. As you see in the video, I basically washed my papaya leaf thoroughly. I washed it again over and over and over to ensure I remove all dirt from it. While I was washing, I still noticed that there was some dirt on it, and this is something we are going to be using for our hair. I'm not going to boil it, I'm going to use it raw like this, so you ensure it is properly washed, it is clean, totally clean. While I was cutting, I noticed that there was still dirt in it, so I decided to use salt to wash it, to rinse off every form of dirt or insect or microorganisms that will cause any form of irritation to our scalp. I ensured that it was thoroughly washed before I used it. I even had to use hot water, warm water rather, to rinse it again. After that, I then cut them into chunks, into smaller pieces, and then transfer it to my blender to blend smooth. While I was doing this, one thought came to my mind: why don't you add onions to this? So I decided to add onions to the hairspray to also boost its benefit to our hair. One thing we should also note is that onions also boost hair growth, and onions is very rich in sulfur, which nourishes the hair follicles, it strengthens the hair strands, improves scalp health and adds shine, and also reduces dandruff to our hair. So onions is also a very good recipe if you're looking forward to boosting your hair growth and also reducing dandruff in your hair. About these natural hair growth recipes is that they are easy to access. You can find them around your environment. Like this papaya leaf is something around, it's basically around your home. It even grows without being planted. It's something you can easily get around you. And also onions is also a home to your kitchen, where you use onions almost all the time. So it's not something you have to look for or go and get it in products or something. It's within your environment, within your reach at all points in time. Papaya leaves contain a group of natural chemical compounds called alkaloids. Alkaloids like caffeine found in papaya leaves are known to stimulate blood vessels and improve circulations. When applied to the scalp, they help to increase the flow of oxygen and nutrients to hair follicles. It is also packed with antioxidants and vitamins like vitamin A, C and E. Like I said earlier, this protects the scalp from oxidative stress. Sorry, see the word here, please pronounce it yourself. Which helps by reducing damage to cells and blood vessels. It keeps circulation flowing smoothly. Enzymes like papain helps to gently exfoliate the scalp, removing dead skin and buildups. A clean scalp allows better penetration of nutrients and promotes healthy hair and blood flow. Papaya is also packed with anti-inflammatory compounds that reduce scalp irritation or inflammation, which otherwise restricts circulation to your scalp. Back to what we were doing in the kitchen. So after I blended it smoothly, I transferred it to my sieve, sieved it properly so that I don't have any patches of leaf left in it. I sieved it very properly, very well, and then I transferred it to my applicator bottle for easy use and penetration into the hair. Particular applicator bottle with this comb-like mouth is very good because it allows any product you're using to penetrate directly to your scalp, making it easy for it to penetrate into your hair follicles. I started off with a slightly damp, clean hair, and as you can see, I applied this product from the root of my hair to the tip of the hair. You will need to concentrate more on the root because that's where it will stimulate hair growth. You work it to your ends of your hair and then ensure that it's properly in your hair. After that, I massaged it very well into my hair. One thing we have to take seriously if you really want your hair to grow very well is massage. Hair massage is something you don't play with anytime you apply products on your hair. It's advisable to massage your hair at least twice a week with your fingertips for best results. Massaging your hair improves blood flow around the follicles, carrying nutrients and product active compounds deeper into the scalp tissues. A scalp massage can help support faster hair growth because it stimulates blood flow to the hair follicles, allowing more oxygen and nutrients to reach them. Massaging also helps to relax muscles, reduces stress, a common cause of hair loss, and even distribute natural oils that nourishes your hair strands. Like I said earlier, applying this on a damp hair is the best, not on a wet running hair. If you apply it on a wet hair, it will just run off from your hair and you will not have the most benefit of this hair spray or hair mask. So applying it on a slightly damp hair is the best because your hair cuticles are open to receive nutrients into the hair. Also, I will advise you do this on a clean hair because doing it on a clean hair, your scalp is clean, it's easy for penetration. But if you have it on a dirty hair, it will just lay on your hair scalp. It will not penetrate into your hair follicles. Okay, that being said, as you can see in the video, I applied from the roots of my hair to the tip of the hair, ensuring that all parts of the hair properly soaked with this hair mask. It touches all parts of the hair so that no part of the hair will be left out, especially the hair tips, which is the oldest part of your hair. It needs proper care and attention, because if it's not well taken care of, you end up having split ends, and it will cause breakage into your hair. So while you're applying your products into your hair, ensure you also apply to your end tips, your hair ends. Very, very important for your hair growth. After which I covered my hair with a plastic hair cap and allowed it to sit on my hair for over 30 minutes. After then, I rinsed it off and then applied my deep leave-in conditioner and my hair butter to seal in the moisture. And basically that's it for this papaya hair mask. Okay, I know in course of this video I've been saying papaya leaf here, but it's also known as pawpaw leaf. We here in this part of the country where I come from, we call it pawpaw, but in course of this video I've been saying papaya. Please know that it is the same thing, whether pawpaw or papaya, it is the same thing. So I just want to make it clear so that I don't get confused on it, if it's the same thing or not. Okay, and that's it. That's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching, and if you've not subscribed, please subscribe so that you don't miss out on any hair recipes I drop. Bye for now, and I will see you in my next one.